Hello Humble Bakers! Day 2 ng ating croissant workshop here sa Davao City. On my way sa baking studio, may nakita nga akong biko dito sa may Kaylands. So nagtry lang din ako since fave ko talaga yung biko. And ito na rin yung naging breakfast ko and for my students para matry din nila. Since yung iba nga sa kanila is hindi naman taga dito or taga Davao City. And masarap at bagong luto pa. Nag-start kami around 8:30ish and may familiar face nga akong nakita sa mga students ko somewhere in school sa BGC. This is me showing them how to do the lamination. And then after that, sila naman yung gagawa ng dough nila. I'm doing a mirroring technique sa class ko ng croissants. And almost 12, nag-lunch na kami and masarap yung pancit at chicken wings na sinerve sa amin dun sa studio, and sobrang napadami ako ng kain ng pancit. Around 1:30 PM, almost done na and proofing na din yung mga croissants, and 3:30 PM na kami nag-start mag-bake. 6 PM almost done, and ang gaganda ng result ng mga ginawa nila, especially itong pano chocolate. Then after that, may chinek lang kami dito sa may Tutsi ng mga pastries at cakes. Ang dami pala nila dito ino-offer ng mga pastries at cakes, and nag-try din kami ng ibang pastries at cakes. Then may pinatry lang din sa akin dito na parang pano raisins or cinnamon raisins. Yan. So meron siyang raisins and cinnamon combination, plus meron siyang mga pistachio nuts. And then nag-order lang ako to try it later, carrot cake and pecan pie, since fave ko yung dalawa na yon. Madeleines na dip in chocolate.
Wala na yung kanila cheese roll.
Then may nag-invite lang sa akin na mag-dinner to try daw yung isa sa mga masarap na kainan dito. Dito yan sa may Rosario Bake Shop. It started out as a bakery, then nag-offer din sila ng mga cakes, and soon nag-offer din daw ng iba't ibang food sa menu. We ordered sizzling steak, sizzling bulalo, sticky pork ribs, kinilaw at pork chop, and everything was so good. Their kinilaw is with labanos, and mahilig talaga ako lately sa kinilaw. The bulalo was so tender, perfectly seasoned. The pork chop was also good, and ang laki ng serving. 2 pieces yung cut na good for tuna. Everything was served in a big portion na good for sharing. The sizzling steak was medium rare and super sarap. Gusto ko ang ubusin yung buong steak. The restaurant itself is beautiful inside. Must try this restaurant at isa na to sa mga favorites kong restaurant here sa Davao City. Sobrang sarap ng kwentuhan namin about food, travels, and other things. So thankful na I'm not just teaching here but also meeting other people and sharing time with them. I have another workshop tomorrow. That's 3rd day batch and hope to see them soon. Yun lang, salamat!